Volcano live. So this is a structure above the volcano. This is Etna Volcano live. So I put this light on. So you can see, okay, it's reflecting like this. So if I take it to this side, it will not be reflecting a lot. Now you see the structure, people. You see the structure? This is a structure above the volcano. This is the volcano. This is Etna Volcano. This is live from Skylines. And we have a structure here. It is not part of the mountain. This is the mountain producing the smoke coming out from the volcano. But this is a structure here. Okay, you see me, you maybe can see me reflecting on the screen, but this is structure. I have collected pictures for a couple of minutes, and I went in invert color. So
this structure above the volcano is very strange, and I believe it's some kind of ship, UFO or something like that. I have never seen anything like this. Very, very strange. I'm trying to figure out what it can be, but just I cannot understand why is something is above the volcano and
cover the structure. Yes, it would cover part of the structure.
So this
that's why
have edges.
The angle is not
angles and
right angle anymore,
like a
because
cube.
it's smoke coming from the volcano. So maybe if we play the time lapse.
So we play the time lapse. So
get the volcano north.
Time lapse will help out.
Now we will see the time lapse. You see, people? Look here. There's nothing. There's no part of the mountain. You will see when
so this is the cube. So this cube is above the volcano, and it's not supposed to be there. I don't know what it is.
See, people?
I provide the link. You can go and check if it is still there. Very strange indeed, but you will see now that nothing is there. It is a part where we can see the sky in the night and the stars.
So this is a time lapse. So we go back to the live stream. See, it's still there. You see this straight line? This is not part of the mountain. We will see the time lapse. You see, people? Look here. There's nothing. There's no part of the mountain. You will see when it becomes night, because the stars are seen here above the volcano. So there's nothing here. Okay, it's covered by clouds now. Just keep your eyes here on this part where I have put the pen. See, people? The clouds are coming here. The stars are, so this is the sky. So this is the sky, and you see the volcano. So this is see, it's still there. You see this straight line? This is not part of the mountain, or this is not part of the mountain or smoke. It is a structure. You saw the time lapse.
So this thing to the left hand of yours.
I'll provide the link to the
above the volcano is not supposed to be there. It's a structure, it is nothing else. This is not a mountain. This is not part of mountain. This is the sky. You're supposed to see the sky here. So the smoke is coming like this and sometimes coming like this, covering part of this structure. This structure is not supposed to be there. Please go in and check yourself. I have collected some pictures, but unless you see yourself, you will not believe. Very strange indeed. This picture. I cannot comprehend.
Structure too, coming.
Very strange. It's like
The whole
against
thing is a structure.
physics laws. So more strange stuff happening, and
Something is happening.
I will try to watch it, but I'm very tired. So tomorrow I can see it on the time lapse. But it has been a long day. Lot of
I wish
happening.
I knew what this is.
Almost
I have no
each
idea.
webcam have stuff to
Very, very
amazing stuff to look at.
curious to know. I thought I
So
believe
please help me out if you have any idea or what can this be.
Will help me out
I'm
to know
asking for help because I cannot understand what I'm seeing. This is not normal. This is not supposed to be there. So that's all. Enjoy.